Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lord Bambi. Birthday, Lord Bambi. Happy birthday, my God. Bati. My God, Bati. My God, my God, my God, Bati. Happy birthday, Lord Bambi. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Bobin. Thank you for playing with me, for multiplication, and for always teaching me, the answer of multiplication. You are my favorite uncle. God bless you always. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Marvin! More birthdays to come, good health and long life. Hope to see you soon.
Sige.
Okay, Marvin, happy birthday to you. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Kumusta na kayong lahat diyan? At ang mga dampalgas na kami naman dito, okay naman kami dito at masayang-masaya rin. Kumusta lahat sa inyo lahat diyan? Sana mapunta muli ako diyan. Sa Canada, kaya lang masyadong malayo.
Next year.
Sige. Kumusta lahat natin? Happy birthday, Marvin.
Happy birthday, Marvin. Welcome to the golden year. Enjoy your birthday with Diana, Chick, relatives and friends, and Gabbar Cats. Hope may God bless you with full of happiness and more blessings to come. Thank you for everything. Miss and love you all. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday again. Love you all.
Hello Bong, happy 50th birthday. Isang taon na naman ang nadagdag sa edad natin. Pero sabi nga nila, as we get older, we become wiser. So, nasa sa'yo naman na ang lahat. So, ang mabibiss ko na lang para sa birthday mo is good health and happy family. At sana proteksyonan lagi kayo ni God dyan. Again, happy birthday, happy 50th birthday, brother. Baka naman makarating ang handa mo dito sa Israel. Happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday, bro. Welcome to the club. Ngayon siguro nararamdaman mo na yung nararamdaman ko din. Minsan masakit yung kasukasuan, masakit yung bewang, masakit yung tuhod. Pero normal na lang siguro yan kasi hindi na rin tayo bumabata. Buti nga sa'yo, yung buhok mo pumuputi lang. Ako nauubos. So kung gusto ko sa'yo bro, siguro wala na. Kasi halos naman lahat nasa sa'yo na. You have a very lovely family. Nandiyan si Richie at nandiyan rin si Miss Canada, si Ayana. So ang ano ko na lang is ingatan mo mabuti ang pamilya mo, brother. Kasi yan ang ating kayamanan. Sana bigyan pa tayo ni Lord ng mahaba pang buhay para magkakasama pa tayo ng matagal. Sana lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo ay matupad para sa sarili mo at para sa pamilya mo. So, yun lang brother. Happy birthday ulit. God bless. Ingat palagi. I love you. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hello. Happiest birthday, my brother. My wish for you is that, as to what Bro Marlo said, ingatan mo ang sarili mo dyan, at di na tayo bumabata. Kung maaari, brother, iwasan na natin kumain ng mga matatabang mga food, mga maaalat at mga matatamis na mga pagkain. At kung maaari, maggulay-gulay na lang tayo, brother. pinakbet sa umaga, pakbet ka aldaw, kun pinakbet tuman ti Rabin brother. So, healthy living lang tayo at lumalaki na tayo brother. Kaya, ingat-ingat sa pagkain. At sana, ingatan mo rin yung family mo, si Richie at si Ayana, i-prioritize mo lagi sila. At ang wish ko pa sa'yo, na sana ma-achieve mo pa yung mga gusto mo pang ma-achieve sa life mo at sa family mo. So, ganun na lang brother. I love you. I love you brother. And ingat-ingat na lang kayo dyan. Mag-ingat kayo dyan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye brother and Richie and Ayana. I love you all. Bye-bye.
Hello! Happy birthday, Bing Bong! You are already 50 years old. Time flies, diba? All I can say to you, bro, or I wish for you, is good health always, and good life, and happy always. I love you, bro.
Happy 50th birthday, my brother. You have reached a milestone in your life at 50, and I am happy to be celebrating it with you. May your new chapter be filled with adventure, happiness, and love, together with Richie and Ayana. My only wish is for you to have a good life, good health, and a long and beautiful life. Again, happy birthday, brother. We love you. Chup.
Happy birthday, Tito Bong, from Sharjah, UAE. We love you.
From the Philippines with love, happy birthday, Bong!
Happy birthday, Bong! Happy birthday, Bong!
Happy 50th birthday, Bong! Wish ko lang sa'yo, always pray to our Lord to give you good health, strength, and wealth. So, enjoy your birthday with your family and your friends. Always remember, Dong, that I will pray for your birthday more to come. I love you.
Happy birthday, Bong, from Montaga. We love you.
Happy
Happy birthday, Tito Bong, from Sharjah.
Happy birthday, Tito Marvin!
Yeah!
Napirdi.